Hey guys, I know that you've been having some trouble with Delicious, and I have put in a little note to the help desk and I'm trying to solve the problem. For now, I just kind of want to walk you through what it should be doing. Right now we're looking at Paul's links, and he has gone through and he has put a tag, CI5351, on his, but then when we go to search, it is not returning all of the tags with that title. It's returning some that I did last year with some students. It's returning some of the ones that were done this week, but not all of them. And that is becoming a little frustrating. If you do the tags that were stipulated in the assignment, only 2 things come up, and I know for a fact that there's more that are tagged that way. So I'm just going to run through what you should be doing. So and then I'm guessing that there is just some glitch. So basically, let's see if I can remember which password this is. Basically, what Delicious does is allows you to organize your links in a way that allows you to group them by subject or topic or whatever. Groups can work on a similar tag, so if you found something interesting for your history department, you could tag it with I do mine like U.S. history, or when some of our teachers would work together, we would just call it history, and we would follow each other and then follow those different tags. Another way that I use them is for different units that I would teach. So as I troll around on the internet, I will find different things. There's some from December, November, September, April, March, February. Basically just different ones that I have found that would fit in with the unit, and then when I am redoing unit plans, I always revisit that information. In addition to kind of the units, there's things you might be interested in. I keep one called Data Viz, which is about data visualization, and I find stuff all the time, do presentations on it a lot, and so I just collect it. And then whenever I'm trying to remember or looking for resources, I know where to go. And then a third way that I use it is that oftentimes there's a lot of stuff that I really would like to read, and I do not have time to do it at the moment. So a lot of times I will click on the to read, and then when I have downtime or I'm looking to fill my moments with some learning, I go back to my to read list and do that. So there's just a couple of different ways to do it. Now the most handy way that I have found to maintain this over time is, for instance, if you have an article open and you think, oh yes, I would like to tag this and use this. This is a great article. I'm actually going to post this in class in just a few minutes. But you would then install a bookmarklet that goes on your little toolbar here, and you write Save on Delicious. It then brings up your screen to save them, and then you can put to read, and you'll see a separate tag, and then I can enter another tag where I can put pedagogy. And that way there's 2 separate tags. Now some of you have been struggling with the tagging. What I intended was for you to add 1 tag and then a second tag for Fall 12, so that those could be searched separately. So if I wanted to see all the students that had ever entered stuff under CI 5351, I could do that, or just the ones from the fall, I could see that as well. So that was the intention with the tagging. And then I hit save, and it will then appear back on my list right here at the top. Shows 8 people saved it. The other cool thing in here is that you can go and see who saved the link, and maybe connect with some other people that are hip on Dewey or looking at that same information. In order to install the bookmarklets, you can go out to the main Delicious site, and way down at the bottom I think is where you'll find this under Tools, Bookmarklets. Let's see what they've got for 2.0. And then you just pull this right up to your bar. and that's it. So let's say I want to use that one now, and I want to get rid of my old one. So I'll just delete that guy, and now I have added it to Delicious. It's as simple as pulling it up there. And then it just lives in your browser so you can access it whenever you want. So that is just a little bit of a walkthrough of Delicious. Please post your username with your forum post until we kind of resolve the problem. Hope all is well. Office hours later today. Thank you.